Yeah.
They are fascinating creatures. They can live both in water and on land. Now they can swim very fast as a moving car. That's about what? That's about 40 kilometers per hour. And they you hold on. Good morning, Rachel.
Hi, Sunny.
Trying to speak to them, and you go, what's happening?
Papa says he's upset with you.
He's upset with me? But why?
You forgot the most important thing about him.
No, I didn't mention. Oh, but ladies and gentlemen, I will mention that sea lion, especially Pumbaa over here, is intelligent and good looking. Oh, shy are you? Alright, now let's show them how strong those clippers are. Weaver! Clippers, yeah!